Welcome to your comprehension video for Friday the 22nd of January. This is your video if you're somebody who's got the Year 2 booklet. Now your task today is to complete page 10 and we've got a poem which is called Tea with Auntie Mabel. Now I'm going to read you this poem today, the once, because there are quite a few tricky words. What I'd like you to do though is have another read of it after you've listened to me. So I'll read it to you once and then you can have a go at reading it to your adults. So let's have a read. If you ever go to tea with my Auntie Mabel, never put your elbows on the dining room table. Always wipe your shoes if you've been in the garden. Don't ever burp. If you do, say pardon. Don't put your feet on a new settee. If she offers you a sugar lump, don't take 3. Don't dunk your biscuits, don't make crumbs. Don't bite nails and don't suck thumbs. Don't rock the budgie, don't tease the peak. Speak when you're spoken to or else don't speak. Do as you're told, and if you're not able, don't go to tea with my Auntie Mabel. Okay, so there's our poem about tea with Auntie Mabel. So I'd like you to have a go at reading that to your adults. There are some tricky words in there, but just have a go at sounding out. Now I said in the poem, don't rock the budgie, don't tease the peak. And the word peak is in bold because it tells you what it means at the bottom. It's a type of dog. Okay, so you've got 3 questions to answer about this poem. Number 1 says, what shouldn't you do if you go to tea with Auntie Mabel? Circle your answer. So you've got an option or a choice of 3, so you need to circle one of those, so just one. Okay, you might need to have another read through to check which one it is. Number 2, which word in the poem rhymes with crumbs? Okay, so I would find the word crumbs and I'd keep reading because usually in a poem our rhyming words are found at the end of the line. So it says, if you ever go to tea with my Auntie Mabel, never put your elbows on the dining room table. So if you look at the end, Mabel and table. Let's look at the next one, garden and pardon. So to find the rhyming word, have a look at the end of the lines because that's where we usually find our rhyming pairs. Number 3, do you think Auntie Mabel is strict? How do you know? So have a little think, is she strict? Okay, does she have lots of rules that you have to follow? And how do you know? So write a full sentence starting with a capital letter and remember your full stop at the end. Now, today's challenge task, so in your purple books, I'd like you to write me 3 rules. Now, the poem tells us that Auntie Mabel has got lots of rules. She likes you to use your manners. And so it's saying things that you should and shouldn't do. So I want you to write me 3 rules from your house. Okay, so a rule in my house is that you have to take your shoes off when you first come in. Okay, so you take your shoes off when you enter. Okay, before you go on the nice carpet. Another rule is that you chew with your mouth closed, so you don't show your food when you're eating. So things that make you polite. So have a little think, what are 3 rules in your house? It might be that you can't go on your tablets at bedtime. You perhaps have a certain time for it. It might be that you have to make your bed every day or you have to tidy your toys up. Write me 3 of your house rules in your purple book. Can't wait to see what they are. Good luck!